That issue is a part of that controversial bill, House Bill 1020, which of course is now a state law regarding the appointment of special circuit judges. Now, lawyers who brought a lawsuit to try to stop it say the state constitution specifically mandates that circuit judges be elected.
Of action and to have Your Honor and ultimately
Lawyers representing 3 Jackson residents challenging a specific section of House Bill 1020 as unconstitutional. They told a Hinds County Chancery judge Wednesday parts of the controversial legislation that Governor Reeves signed into law last month should be thrown out because it allows for the appointment and not election of temporary circuit judges in Hinds County.
Article 6, Section 153 of the Mississippi Constitution requires that circuit court judges be elected.
Why do you care whether a judge is elected or state appointed?
The 3 people who brought the lawsuit include Ann Saunders. She told the court 1020 deprives her of her constitutional right to elect judges she wants to represent her.
I feel like I'm being dealt an injustice, like I'm being treated like something other than a citizen of the state of Mississippi.
It's about these people, these residents of Hinds County, these women who want to tell the story about how they're harmed by this.
Lawyers for the women asked the judge to issue a temporary injunction blocking the state Supreme Court Chief Justice from appointing the 4 circuit judges.
For those of us, like myself, who have a deep history in this state, this story feels important, it feels historically significant, and it feels a little bit too familiar.
Your Honor has indicated earlier the court's view of that argument. I won't belabor that argument.
Attorney Rick Shannon, representing the state of Mississippi, told Judge Dwayne Thomas to deny the motion to stop the appointment of the judges. Shannon told the court it has no jurisdiction to rule in this matter and that the residents who brought the lawsuit don't have standing, meaning they can't show how they will be harmed by 1020.
The state submits that the plaintiffs cannot prevail on the merits here because the laws they are challenging do not violate the state constitution.
Attorneys representing the state Supreme Court Chief Justice Mike Randolph, as well as the Hinds County Circuit Court Zach Wallace, they're asking the judge to have them dismissed from that lawsuit because they say their participation is only obligatory through the legislation that the legislature passed. Now, the judge says he could make an overall ruling on the constitutionality question by Friday or over the weekend. For now, we're live at the Hinds County Circuit Chancery Court. Ross Adams, 16 WAPT News.